We weren't taught how to do relationships well, and we certainly weren't taught how to do breakups well. I would never, in my wildest dreams, have my computer break or my air conditioning break on my roof and go, I think I'm going to fix it myself. I can do this. But somehow in relationships, we think we can do it. And we often need help. When we're dealing with a relationship ending, we forget how complex it is. We fault ourselves. We make ourselves so wrong. Who taught you how to do relationships? Your parents, your babysitter, TV, maybe no one. So a lot of this is unlearning things that don't work and aren't healthy and were passed on by wounded people, and wounded people wound people. So it's important information to get the healing so that you don't carry those issues into your next relationship.